Hey, what's up, everyone? So I had this funny experience yesterday. I've been sharing in here about looking into some mindset stuff, and I've been watching some videos by a guy by the name of Rob Dial, and it's really, really good stuff. And I watched this video that in a Facebook group that was like a private group that I did a 2-day training with him on, and he did a third day, and he talked about this thing that he brings people through when he does coaching with them, where he has them rate themselves from 0 to 10, kind of like a Likert scale, 0 to 10 score in different areas. So like career, relationships, intellectual, physical, emotional, and spiritual, and you rate yourself and where you're at 0 to 10. I'll probably go over this and kind of train it in here so that people can do it. It was really cool, but I want to share about my experience with it first. So I did that, and then and I was surprised. I had some pretty low scores on it, and then what you do is you take the 6 scores and you divide them by 6, and you get an average. And he was basically saying, out of 0 to 100, what is your average? And I scored really high on the physical one, but everything else was kind of like, somewhere lower than that. But anyway, I ended up with a 50%. And then he was going through and he was talking about how they used to grade back in the day. And he was saying that, 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 90 is a B, 70 to 80 is a C. And then he was basically like, anything lower than 59 is an F. And I was like, oh my God, I completely fail in health and wellness. But it was really interesting because it made me think about I feel like I'm healthy and well. And what I'm doing, though, is I'm comparing myself to my old self, which was like really, really bad. Like I would have been like a 10% or something like that. And so I'm a lot healthier than I used to be. And I don't think it's really quite that bad, but maybe I was a little bit more hard on myself than what I actually am. But I just thought it was interesting. And then the cool thing about it is he said in each area, what I want you to do is write out what do you need to do this week to increase that this 0 to 10 score by 0.5. So it was really simple. Like, what could I do in my relationships to just bring that up a click? What could I do in my emotional health to bring that up a click? And then what I had was 6 things that I could do this week that are really simple to kind of improve my overall health. And I just thought it was really, really cool and really, really practical. So maybe sometime this week I'll get on I'll write it out and kind of show you guys. But just in case you want to do it, the areas, and again, you rate yourself 0 to 10. So it's career, the acronym is CRIPES, career, relationships, intellectual, physical, emotional, and spiritual. And you rate yourself 1 to 10, and then you take the total of that, divide it by 6, and you get your score. On 0 to 100, what percent you are in your health and wellness. So it just was really cool, and I wanted to share it with you guys, and I got a lot of value out of it for myself. So anyway, if you enjoyed that, please, please, when I do these videos, be sure to share this with anybody you think you might benefit from it. Also, just a reminder, I do have a Facebook community group called Wellness Seekers Community. You can go to wellnessseekerscommunity.com to join that, or you can just search in Facebook for Wellness Seekers Community with Russell Beebe. I also just came out with a health and wellness program that you can get. If you're just interested to check it out, you can get a free book that's you can go to the Wellness Seekers, www.thewellnessseekers free dash book. The Wellness Seekers free dash book. I'll drop the link down below as well, or up above, depending on where you're watching this. So anyway, hope you have a good day, and we will talk soon.